Bitcoin dips below $19,000 as crypto fund Three Arrows implodes. So Bitcoin briefly sank below $19,000 on Thursday, hitting a fresh low for the year as investors digested the collapse of cryptocurrency hedge fund Three Arrows and the rising risk of an economic recession. The leading cryptocurrency was down 4.4% at $19,209.20 as of 9:30 a.m. ET Thursday, according to Coinbase data. Bitcoin's value has plummeted nearly 60% so far this year and more than 70% off its all-time high of $69,000 last November. Bitcoin continues to be under pressure as other assets are. The mix of high inflation, rising interest rates, and recession weigh on cryptocurrencies, Yves Longchamp, head of research at Seba Bank, told CNBC regarding the sell-off. Other top cryptocurrencies are also struggling. Ethereum was down more than 6% to $1,032, and Solana sank 6% to $32. The latest downturn followed a series of negative developments within the cryptocurrency sector, already reeling from a months-long sell-off. Investors have dumped cryptocurrencies in stocks as the Federal Reserve steadily hikes interest rates to tamp down decades-high inflation. The rapid plunge in Bitcoin's price has triggered fears of a liquidity crisis among struggling operators. Three Arrows Capital, a leading cryptocurrency hedge fund that invested heavily in the doomed Luna crypto token prior to its implosion, entered liquidation proceedings after facing legal challenges from creditors over unpaid debts, according to multiple reports. After reports of default, it comes as no surprise that Three Arrows Capital, a cryptocurrency focused hedge fund, has been ordered to liquidate. Edward Moya, an analyst at broker Oanda, said in a note to investors. Concerns are growing that the collapse of Three Arrows Capital could trigger further market contagion. In a separate development, CoinFlex, which became the latest cryptocurrency exchange to pause withdrawals last week due to what is described as extreme market conditions, revealed it was not planning to resume transactions on Thursday as originally planned, CNBC reported. Crypto investors were also reacting to the latest guidance from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, who acknowledged during a panel discussion Wednesday that the central bank was prepared to tolerate a higher risk of recession in order to bring down inflation. Is there a risk we would go too far? Certainly there's a risk, Powell said. The bigger mistake to make, let's put it that way, would be to fail to restore price stability. Cryptocurrencies have been heavily correlated with stocks in recent months, and major indices were pointing lower in pre-market trading Thursday, with Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures indicating a loss of more than 300 points. So, yeah, this is going to get pretty bad. It's going to get probably pretty bloody in terms of like the crypto market. Who knows how low Bitcoin will go? I mean, Bitcoin went down all the way, I think, to like $2,000 last time it crashed. So maybe it'll go down all the way down there, or maybe it'll go down to like just a couple of dollars and maybe never recover again. You never know. Either way, if you want to master your money and get out of debt, so it doesn't matter what happens in the market, go to 40inbox.com.